Hello, it's August 2nd.
Hey, what's up? Suchi here. Another busy week in IT.
Okay, this is Friday video for 7/29 through 8/2.
Ethan here, back with another little end of the week update.
What's good, y'all?
How's it going, Nagios? It's me, Ricky.
Hey, it is August 2nd, and it is the end of the week.
Hey, how's it going? Steve here. Today is August 2nd, 2024.
We did release a whole bunch of open source projects.
This week, I've mainly just been working on ClickUp tickets assigned to me.
Log review, Paycor, IT Sec meeting every Monday, as usual. More tailgating review, marketing DNS record, reactivation, CIRT requests and marketing channel, threads, check on recovered domains, catch up on Slack, BI project.
So a pretty busy week this week. We did an open source build day where we built all open source products. We also built XI. Along with that this week, ran into some issues with XI where the devs had to make a fix, and we had to rebuild, do some retesting of that.
We had some build meetings specifically on the topic of open source products and releases. We kind of seen how that works. We got some documentation in. Thank you to Cody for that.
This week we went ahead and got a lot done. Actually started signing some certifications with our on-site certificate authority, which was good. And that took most of my focus of last week.
Worked on a couple of builds this week for some of our open source stuff.
I've been mostly video editing, catching up on video content, and making videos.
Just been kind of going back and forth with Comcast with some issues. Nothing too major.
We were attempting a build for 2024 R1.2.
And then working on upgrading or updating Windows, updating vWorkers, doing Windows updates, application updates, all that.
Update tickets, person of interest in the atrium. They checked out. Catch up on Slack, BI project. Cody, work with him to do final vetting and propagation of the SG verified code.
Some big news, all the work on the translation scripts has kind of been looked over by Sebastian and approved for me to merge into my, all the new scripts I've been creating to merge into master, actually, so that's really cool.
We covered a lot of things. There's some MyCloud stuff and some Veeam stuff that we had to square away.
Today we tried to build XI, but ran into some issues. So that's going to be built again next week sometime.
We're doing some Blue Iris projects, such as doing a camera list script that I've been working on, as well as some Slack integrations. And so far, I've got to a point where it's kind of sending stuff, but it's just sending base64. So
Also been working with Microsoft support with some issues that we are kind of seeing from off and on. Hoping that is resolved now.
I did some work with the backup scripts, moved rework E to a new MyCloud because it's very big with our log server on it, so it needs its own MyCloud for storage reasons.
And just doing what I can on IT requests.
Check on recovered domains, waiting for a response. Email blacklisting, Comcast, email follow-up. Get server migration meeting.
I was able to show him how we actually have had some bugs in a lot of bugs to do with the foreign language and translating have been in XI actually for several years. So that is being brought to attention where that is gonna be on the development side. So they'll have some work to do there, but it was cool to be able to point that out and to do as much as I could towards fixing it and whatnot.
Throughout the week, I've been doing vulnerability patches for everybody's laptops to make sure everybody's good.
Oh, and some Microsoft licensing.
Network troubleshooting, the MS admin portal. Microsoft, you suck. Update tickets, get.nagios.com access. Jump server meeting. BI project. DNS records updates, build release tasks. SSH access to get.nagios.com for Aaron. Search planning and research.
I've been learning a lot about the RPM server, build servers, and just so that I can understand them if they try to break when we need them.
Also spent a lot of time this week reviewing ClickUp tickets and just adminning the spaces.
Did some bootstrap work, script work for the build server.
Update tickets, IT request help, recover domains with Andy Zacher.
Running updates, making sure everybody's up to date, making sure everybody's able to use their computers. There's some IT requests. We had a little network issue, but that was resolved.
And also getting ready to deploy our UPSs, our cyber power UPSs.
Set up some more QA machines.
All in all, good week. Until next week.
That was really it. I'll see y'all next week.
That's all I got. Have a good weekend.
So, yep, lots of stuff going on last week.
Yeah, that's really it. Lots of other things, but yeah, that's all I got. Peace.
Overall, very productive week.
So yeah, other than that, everything's been good.
That's really it. Next week I'm back on videos, I think. Later.
It's been a busy week, so yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.